raise your hand if you have any questions for Cass, writer, and presenter. Okay.
Hello, I'm Anna Renati. Question lang kay Ms. Helen, kasi kami ni Tracy, dalawa kanina habang nanonood, we were discussing kung wig ba yung first hair mo. Actually, maganda yung transition ng hair mo. Una, kulot-kulot, then hindi na masyadong kulot, then yung last one is straight na hindi ka na-haggard. Hindi sabihin sa last one. But dun sa una, was that wig or did you curl your...
Actually, namatay din yung buhok ko after. Totoo po lahat yun. Nakakatawa nga minsan, may scene na sobrang kulot, tapos biglang wavy. So, kailangan i-wave. And so, yes, hindi po siya wave. Ano siya, extensions naman. Pero talagang, yes, namatay yung buhok ko. So, ang galing, medyo patay pa rin siya.
Oh, nice. And observation ka lang na from your last movie na Sunny, ibang flavor yung ginawa mo doon. Tapos dito, ibang flavor din. So, congratulate lang kita na you did very well sa acting.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Makaka-relate sila sa buhok mo kasi pag bagong sweldo, bagong liban.
Alright, we have a question upstairs. Second.
As someone who has not read that book, this book that was based on, how much of the book, how the movie was based on the book?
The storyline kasi, ako yung nagsulat ng storyline. And then, pinresent kila direct. Siyempre, nagbago ng konti kasi nag-pandemic, bago na yung way of life natin. So, iniba ng konti. Pero, parang inadapt pa rin yung storyline na unang binigay ko. Yun. Di ba, direct?
No, yung talaga, it's really he said, she said. My point of view, different point of view talaga na I really wanted to place yung what the guy thinks, si Dino, nasa mind niya, nasa mind ni Aika. And these things are their versions, no? We all have our own versions sa mga away natin sa relationship. So, dito makikita natin on both sides. And, ano ba, team Aika ba kayo? Team Dino ba kayo? So, mapapaspark kayo ng conversation on sino kayo as a human being, no? Sino kayo sa category. So, dito, this film doesn't have any like big contrabidas or big conflicts. It's really internal. So, that's what I want to show.
Salbahe lang yung boss, no?
Salbahe
si Giselle salbahe.
Hindi ang Pedro mo.
Hindi ka Pedro mo.
Ano ba yung inspiration for you to write this book? Yes, good question!
Biniligawan akong Tagalabang dati. O, yun na yun.
Siya yung taga-music.
Oo.
Ngayon na saan na siya?
Hindi ko na alam eh. Wala akong balita.
Ako alam mo.
Wala.
Kunilin mo sa
First of all, congratulations po, Marvel, Derek, and Sir Stanley for this film. And napakaganda na po kasi. And I'm a fan of the book po kasi way back before. Pero hindi ko na alam nasan yung kopya ko. So, I'm just curious po, since napag-uusapan na yung book, paano po na-develop yung character ni Aika and Tino? Since yung book po kasi is parang mga focus lang, gano'n. So, paano po siya nagawa?
Well, nag-meeting muna kami ni Direk, pero may sinabit na akong storyline. And then yung team na nila Direk, nag-meeting na rin sila, pinag-usapan, na based on the storyline na sinabit ko sa Viva. Yun.
Thank you for, and for...
Sinausi, I think, we really wanted, our ibang class sila. So, as you can see, si Tino yung mas mayaman, si Aika yung mas,
Middle class yan.
Mas hardworking siya. She has something to strive for. So yung difference niya, so makikita natin kung the way of living and also yung mindset nila, kung career nga ba talaga or no for her reason. And then you see the switch between the characters, how they grew up. Eh, yung problema na yung isa, hindi niya nag-grow up. Na-stuck siya doon.
Thank you so much, Derek and Sir Stanley. And next question ko is for Marvin po. Ano ba yung favorite scene niyo po dito sa movie yung ginagawa niyo? And ano po yung na-discover niyo sa isa't isa while filming the film?
Ako isa yung quick scene. Pangalawa is yung nasa bus kami. Tapos makikita mo din, di ba parang glimpses pag nag-usap kami, and then quick scene, di ba ganun siya. Kasi yung scene na yun, wala yun sa script. Tapos si Direk sabi niya, akala namin tapos na yung titingin-tingin lang kami yan. Tapos sabi ni Direk, oh, Aika, magtanong ka about Tino. So kailangan alam niya yung mga sasagot. So mga tanong ko, dapat alam ko rin yung story na nangyayari during sa buhay niya. And then siya naman nagtatanong siya about me. So, dapat alam mo rin kung saan nagkaling sa Aika, paano, alam niyo. So, yun yung favorite scene ko actually. Tapos, ano lang si Derek, nasa bus lang kami habang nasa EDSA. So, yun yung favorite scene. So.
Yeah, aside from the web there was the boundaries one, the one about accepting the request. It was you did this thing, you know, and then I just also went into you and I was like, yeah, you're allowed to do this. I don't know, I love that scene. Also because that street is close to me. I used to live for the longest time in Mandaluyong, and I used to walk the same bridge to Manila. So like the fact that I got to work there, it was, you know, cheap. I would have never thought. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say, really. All the scenes were worth liking.
Oh, siguro yung away scene namin, yung pinaka-away-away, yung dulo sa Hamlet. Yeah, that was sa Hamlet. And so, parang kailangan lang namin supportan yung isa't isa, mga ano eh, parang, shucks, bilang yun ako, so kailangan, alam mo yung mga So, I like those.
Thank you. Pero yung na-discover niyo po sa isa't isa natin?
Na-discover namin sa isa't isa? Naku, kailangan naman. Ikaw muna.
Yung masarap yung boots niya. Yung na-discover. Yung ano, tok nene.
Oo, sarap daw.
Ano, malalim si Marco. Hindi ko sabahin na, saan ba? May depth siya. Like, parang siyang old soul na parang pinanood mo siya sa cinema. Tapos parang, makikita mo sa mata niya, sa lahat ng galaw niya na, like, hindi lang siya acting, kumbaga. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Na master mo na. Look at you. And nakakatuwa kasi wala, nakikita ko yung growth mo. And I will always be there to support you. Okay?
I mean, how could I not? I have the best, sexiest teacher.
Thank you.
No, really. I already said this before, and I feel like I would not have grown if it wasn't for Evan. And every time I see something that I can pick up from her, some timing, some nuances, and you know, I love working with her because it's a give and take. And you know, I'm here in the Philippines to get a better at it. And you know, I don't know, I just love working.
So, yeah. Thank you so much po again. Video po pala from TikTok.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Any other? Okay.
What is this?
Alright. Wala.
Meron yan. Sige.
Sige, lalak.